Today, I'm excited to share my experience with the Bomves Electric Spin Scrubber. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out. If you're tired of scrubbing stubborn stains with little results, this tool might be exactly what you need. I bought this to use on my stained vinyl floors, and it worked wonders. Then I tried it on hard water stains, on my shower floor, and a pan covered in burnt-on mess. I can't wait to show you what it did. So first up, those vinyl floors. I've tried mopping and scrubbing for the last several years, but nothing short of extreme laborious scrubbing worked. The spin scrubber handled it beautifully. It has 2 speed settings, and with the high speed mode at 300 RPMs, it powered through dirt that regular mopping just couldn't touch. Then I took it to my shower floor, which was covered in hard water stains. Though it took a little more time and effort than the vinyl, the scrubber cut through the stains with just a little vinegar, dish soap, and water. Lastly, I pulled it out after a snafu in the kitchen caused some serious burnt-on mess in my wok. I brought out the Brillo attachment and went to work. It pulled off all the carbonized burnt mess in no time. I love that it's got a long-lasting battery that charges in 3 to 4 hours, letting you clean for up to 90 minutes on low speed or 20 minutes on high. It also comes with 8 brush heads for all types of surfaces, and the dual speed lets you adjust as you go. And since it's water resistant, I don't have to worry about splashes. Just remember not to submerge the whole thing. So if you're ready to say goodbye to back-breaking scrubbing, the Bomves Electric Spin Scrubber is a game changer. I'll link it below if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more reviews.